Hi all, myself Disha Rathi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can organize your work in a Google Drive with a perfect way. Nowadays, Google Drive becomes very friendly and very easier for everybody. But in Google Drive, it is having many features and functions which can be, you can plan your work in a Google Drive in an efficient way. You can implement all your presentations, you can add in all your spreadsheet, docs, all of the official work at one place. And the best point is you can access it from anywhere. You can access the Google Drive from your mobile, from your laptop, from your iPad, from anything. You can from anywhere you can access your files and the share. And again, the best part is you can share the files with your colleagues or within your organization. So Google Drive is becoming very popular nowadays. But how you can organize and how you can implement Google Drive for your work? So in this video, I am going to share all the things step by step. So do watch my video till end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. So without any delay, let's get started to the practical.
So to just get started, just type drive.google.com in your Chrome browser and open the Google Drive. Just make sure you have logged into your Google account, whichever you are managing. So after opening this drive, you will see this type of interface. Remember, this is a very safe place for all your files and folders. So don't worry about it. So this is a dashboard of a Google Drive. Here is on the left side, it's a My Drive. You can see all the dashboard of the My Drive. Whatever files, folders you have in a drive, you can see it here. Second tab is Shared with Me. In the Shared with Me, if anybody from your firm or from your anybody have been shared the things with you, that would be in this tab. In the Recent, you can see all the recent files, folders that you were working. Shared is the thing whichever you have marked as an shared in the already whenever you're working in that. Trash is a thing already you have moved some files or folder in a trash, so it's a better option to recover that files. From here you can access the storage, so make sure of this. Currently I'm having 15 GB space. Google and Gmail is offering the free 15 GB space for all of the things. But if you need more than 15 GB storage, then you have to buy. Just click the buy storage. From here you will be redirected to the window of the storage purchasing options here. So you can see all the plans and all the things that they have. So you can choose any one of the Google plan that you have. 15 GB is a free plan, so you can manage 15 GB storage according to your need. You can purchase the plan, so you can get the plans from here. Currently I don't want more space. That space is sufficient for me, so that's why I have not purchased any more extra space for this particular account. So to get started, here here on the top you can see the quick access. These are the files you can see which currently you have opened the file. Recently viewed file you can see. So this is a recently viewed file. And here is the folders options. So whatever folder you have been created in the Google Drive, so I'll show you how you can create the folders. You can create folder according to your use. Okay, so I'll show how to create the folders. So for creating the folders, just right click here, click on the new folder tab. Here rename your, suppose my folder name is paste folder. Okay, and click on the create button. So automatically number 6 folder would be the test folder. So you can see by default gray color is the option for this folder. So if you want to change the color, just click on this folder, right click here, choose change color option. So you can choose any color from this palette that you want for that folder. So it completely depends on your work and how your flowchart is. Completely depends on the color codes on that combinations. So after creating this folder, suppose now in this folder I have to create the files, like I want to create some documents, I want to create some presentations, I want to create some files in this. So in the folders, just for creating some spreadsheet, how you will do, just click the right button and here are the options where all the functions of the Google is offering here. Okay, so now suppose you want to create one document here, just click on the Google Docs. So it will be redirected to the document. So you can rename your document. Suppose I'm just putting the renaming it paste document. Okay, so paste document, and see auto saving function is here. So now no need to save this file automatically if you have closed this tab. So you can see in this 6 number folder, test folder, this test document have been created. Now suppose in this folder again I have to create one sheet, Google Sheet. So you can right click on the Google Sheet and rename this field here. Just double click on this untitled spreadsheet button. Number 2, suppose test spreadsheet, you can see, and auto save, it will be saved. You can see the status saved to drive. So you can close the sheet here. You can see this sheet here. Suppose you want to create one presentation, then the same way just go in the Google Slides and rename that Google slide here. Double click on the untitled presentation. Number 3, paste. Number 3, paste presentation. Just close the tab. So it's been created here. Now to access this again, so see the 6 number folder, test folder we have created here. Just double click on this. In this you can see all the files that you have been created. Amazing it is. So in this way you can organize. So wherever, if you will open this from wherever, if you will open this particular Gmail account, you can access it from your desktop, your laptop, or your mobile too. So on the mobile, just log into this particular your Google account and access the drive, and you can see all the documentations in the mobile also. So in this way, you can organize your work in a Google Drive in a proper way. So suppose the search function of the drive, in the search you can search the PDFs, documents, spreadsheet, presentations here. Suppose you have to search any PDFs in your drive is, so just click on the PDFs, so type :PDF. So all the PDFs that whatever you have in your drive, they would get reflected from this end. So this is very amazing thing of the drive, which I like, is easily accessible and very easy interface for all of the team. You can share your files, folders with your colleagues. You can get the shareable link. You can delete this. If you want to delete this particular folder, just click the folder, press the delete icon. Okay, suppose you want to share this folder with your team, so just click here share button, and you can type the name of the or email ID of the people with whom you want to share. Okay, suppose I'll type my mail ID itself. Okay, and I will click on send. So that particular folder have been shared with me itself. Okay, so you can see in this folder, you can see this type of icon. It means this folder is a shared folder. Okay, so in this way you can share full folder with your teams, and it's very easy and easy to share, and you can see with whom you have been shared. Regarding the view, this is the view option here. This is a list view. If you don't want a list view, want a grid view, you can see here. So here it's kind of the grid view would be here. If you want a list view, you can just change it from here. Okay, in the settings here, in the settings you will go and see here also you can see the storage. You can buy the storage. Another point is offline. If you haven't tick marked on the offline, so create, open and edit your recent docs, sheets and slides files on the device while offline. Whenever you are not offline, but still the work would go offline too. So it's very important to use if you want to work whenever you are offline. Okay, so that's why. So in this way you can use the Google Drive in a better way. So I hope you like this tutorial. You will use it and you will organize your files, folders at one time at one place. So do try this Google Drive for your work. It would be very easy and friendlier for you. I hope you like. If you like the video, then do like the video, share my video with your team and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye.